Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. This is a very quick video just to how to set your default browser. There's many other ways to do this as well, of course, in the browser settings, but I was asked this question just recently and I thought I'd do a very quick video just to show you how. The simplest way I find is just go down to the search menu. I'm using Windows 11, of course. Type in default. When you type that, you'll see something called default apps. Just click on that. It's the easiest one to click on. Click on it once. Left mouse button, of course, if you didn't know that, and where it says search apps, you're going to search for your browser, your favorite browser. So if it's Chrome, you'll search for Chrome. For me, it's Firefox. Don't ask me why there's two there, but click on your favorite browser. You'll see the little arrow at the side. At the top here, it'll say set default. If it's already the default, it might not say that, but I'm just going to set default, and there the browser has been set as the default browser for my computer. Hope that helps. Just a very quick tutorial on how to set your default browser.